So Greg Stephenson taking the lead, followed by Al Mashaga, Henry Todd, Eric York, Danny Kozowski.
Clean up. How much you guys are going?
Oh, Greg. Dead in the water. Just across the track, guys. Be careful next time, man. You're killing me. So Mashaga, York, Pud. Stephenson trying desperately to get his car back on the track. Looks like his pit crew may be able to get him done. York pushing into the pit lane board. Ouch. Mashaga. Red and white on the back straight, coming around. Gets around Pud like he was standing still. 1 and 2 right there. About 2 seconds difference. Corner marshal in the middle. Thank you very much. Rogers risking life and limb. York pulling into the pits, trying to figure something out. So Mashaga, York, Pud. Pud will take that second spot in a lap, and it's already done. So Mashaga, we're going to set a good time here early on. So that's Mashaga and Pud, the only 2 cars on the track. Looks like Stevenson's back on the track. 2 minutes, 26 seconds to go. Leader's pace right now, 25-13. Henry Todd. Eric York. Fall to the 3rd spot. Looks like Stevenson will pass York on the track. If York can get back out, he can make it a race between them two. 2 minutes to go, drivers. 2 minutes to go. Race 11, you're up next. Hey, Eric, we're going to roll to the next round, right? All right. So just be aware, Sportsman Sedan, race 1, you're after race 11. We're going to roll into the next round. Right now, Mashaga, 25-10. Fast lap set, 14-8. Set by Al Mashaga. That car's definitely come in. That's the red and white coming up under timing. Minute 25 to go.
Go, please.
Minute to go, drivers. Oh, Henry Pud traction roll. So Mashaga, Pud. York, Stephenson still off the track. That's how it will go down. "35 seconds, drivers, 35 seconds. "15 seconds, drivers, 15 seconds. Mashaga's got this one wrapped. And that's it. Keep going, keep going. Everyone's still alive. Keep going, Eric. Keep going. You got 1 more lap. The race is over now, officially. Keep going till I call your name. Here comes our winner. Keep going, Mashaga. Keep going. Henry Pud, you've been caught. York is done. Wait for our winner. 25:08. Once he crosses the line, that's his pace. See what happens. 25:08.2. And everyone's done, guys.